Experiencing trouble with the Tesco app not saving your shopping lists, account preferences, or order modifications? You're not alone. Many users have reported similar issues. The core problem usually boils down to three key areas. First, permissions. Apps need your consent to access certain device features like storage and notifications. Denying these permissions can lead to changes seemingly saving, but then reverting upon restarting the app. Second, syncing. Real-time data transfer between your app and Tesco servers is crucial. Unstable Wi-Fi or account authentication problems can disrupt this process. Finally, app data reset. Sometimes clearing the app's cache, reinstalling it, or resetting your account data might be necessary to force a fresh start and resolve underlying issues. These three factors, permissions, syncing, and app resets, impact your app's ability to save changes. Let's walk through practical troubleshooting steps to fix the Tesco app. Start with permissions. On Android, ensure storage permission is granted. On iOS, check photos or files access. Next, address syncing. Verify you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and are logged into your Club Card account. If issues persist, try manually syncing within the app settings if available. Finally, consider app data reset. Before doing this, back up any important data first. Clear the app's cache and data, settings, apps, Tesco, storage, or reinstall the app. If problems continue, consider resetting your Tesco account data. If server outages are a known issue, wait and retry later. Remember that AI-driven diagnostics are increasingly integrated into app updates. Keep your app updated as Tesco is actively working to reduce sync failures with each new version.